Hello friends, how are you today? Hopefully always healthy and happy. Okay, back again on the Right Retrodic channel. I will provide a useful video for you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy your day.
Select a photo that we will edit. First step, we open the menu Lights, and we will change exposure -24, contrast to 26, highlight to -20, shadow to 25, whites -34, and blacks -10. It will make images like dark. After that, let's continue to change the curve menu so that the image looks dark. You can see how to change the curve. In the color menu, this will further make the image look more dark and yellow. Check this out. Now we enter the mix color menu. We will give color to the image by touch. In color red, change saturation to -13 and luminance -15. In color orange, change luminance to -15. In color yellow, change hue 31, saturation -36, luminance to -15. In color green, change hue to 15, saturation -10, luminance to -10. In color blue, change saturation -5, luminance to -9. In the effects section, we will provide color changes to make it look retro. Now you can change the split tone in the highlights section to change to hue 44 and saturation 11, while for the shadows of fox, hue 43 and the saturation of foxes to 0.15. In the Details menu, this will sharpen the photo edits that we did earlier. Let us change Sharpening 25, Masking 24, Noise Reduction 25, and Color Reduction 25. because I saw the picture look like dark, then I entered the lights menu to make the picture look bright. Try to copy the results of that setting, and paste the results on another photo. We observe whether there are differences in the colors in other photos. This tutorial is based on the brightness of the photos I have. You can change according to the photos you have.